Kia ora, we're starting right at the peak of Omanawanui, descending to the Whatipū Upper Car Park. Sunny skies, forest bathing, and unreal scenery. We're on the Omanawanui track. And yep, around 2,400 stairs to battle. Wow. Absolutely wow. Take a look at that. Join me to see why it's worth the fight. Here's a map of the walk, about 241 metres of elevation, starting and ending at the Upper Car Park on Whatipū Road. Note that it's only parking up here, no toilets at the trailhead, so plan ahead. Here you go. Look at the views that we've worked for. It's Whatipū Beach, caves. Signal track's also down that side. Absolutely spectacular. From up here, if you catch a clear day, you might even spot the coastline stretching all the way out into the distant peninsulas. A reminder of how wild and wide New Zealand's west coast can be. Alright, so we're at the top marker here, and we're gonna head down. And then up again, and then down again, and then up again. Mostly down. God, I'm going to be a couple shades darker after this lot. Oh. What are you? What is that? It's got a funny nose. Oh, impressive. Look at that. California quail. California plump. Plump. Yeah. Describe it. It's a nice way of putting it. Oh, now. California plump. I think a kiddidu's a plump bird. That guy's pretty skinny in comparison to that one. That's a chunky bird. It's a good meal.
Oh, this is a gang bird.
Check out some of these sites on the way down. So we have the bush aspect. A little bit more going down these stairs to see some of the greenery. You're walking over what used to be an ancient volcanic landscape. Those peaks you see were once a core of a volcano, now sculpted by time and sea. It's worth going up just to go down. Love it. And we're back down after looking at this. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Look at it.
So beautiful.
Amazing. No handrails. Look out. Yeah. Yeah. So good.
This is the kind of view you get from top typically at this spot.
Onward. Lots of little treats on the way down. These grand views just open up over the Manukau heads. And that harbour. Spectacular. Since reopening, the track has been upgraded to over 2,400 individual stairs and boardwalks, helping make the steep ridgeline more accessible. But it's still a bit of a leg burner. Stairs, stairs, stairs. A gift that keeps on giving. Look at it. Almost there. Going! After some walking down the stairs, you do get rewarded with these lovely pathways, which is nice. As you descend from the summit, the track changes from an open ridgeline to lush native bush. It's full of coastal flora and ambient bird life. Stairs. This walk isn't just about the peak. There's several lookout points along the ridgeline offering different perspectives. Ocean views, harbour entrance views, and dramatic cliff drop-offs. There's a mountain in front of you. That's what you're going up. And back down we go. These trees are so lovely. I mean, they must be so old. Old like me.
Glad I didn't walk into there.
I just don't know where the spider pit is. Oh, I don't like it. It's actually quite a lot of those dense sort of spider webs in the bush. And it absolutely sucks to walk through it, you're right. Purpose of these is to protect the Kauri trees. Protect the Kauri trees, but if you go to fall off the side of the ridge, there's nothing. You're on your own. This part's so nice. Seeing all the individual trees, the panga, palms.
Oh.
Yeah. Alrighty ho. This is back to the alternative car park that has like what, 2 car spaces max. Yeah, so I think that's where there's supposed to be a car space. Parts of this ridgeline were off limits only a few years ago due to Kauri dieback. Now it's been restored carefully by conservation crews so hikers can go enjoy it again. Bye. Oh, yes. Love this. I'm going to say it's a shame this isn't like this the whole way, but can't expect miracles. So this kind of just gently goes up now towards the car park. Not totally full on, but we still got some stairs coming. Stairs, stairs, stairs. The descent down to the car park gets steep in places. Good footwear and sturdy footing helps, especially if the track is damp. And you get another little reprieve. It takes most people about 1.5 to 3 hours return depending on pace. That's for the full walk. But every minute is worth it for the nature fans, photographers, or anyone looking for a quick escape from the city. Look at that bush. It's nice being in the shade, especially when conquering the uphill. It's like open. But there's also some trees on the ground. Does look lovely. A lot of bush. Too central. If you're planning this walk, go early in the day. Fewer crowds, softer light, and you'll likely get your pick of a parking spot, especially on the Upper Car Park on Whatipū Road. Some kind of meeting going on down there. And that is because it's the end of the road. Da-da-da. This is a car park. As you can see, there's only a small amount of car parks. Up there is the Puriri ridge track as well. But in terms of car parks, that's all you've got. And this is the gravel road that you've got to come up. Subscribe to BinkyT for more walks across the beautiful Tamaki Makaurau.